I'm Sumati here. Today we're going to discuss affiliate marketing and how it's going to be benefit for the people who are looking for affiliate marketing and sitting at home and earning. And if you know this affiliate marketing, it's really makes you earn more money without doing any job, but you have to have a detailed information how to apply for affiliate marketings and according to your niche, and you should have a proper website in regards to this. And yes, if you have all this criteria, then you can definitely apply for affiliate marketing and get a link and promote in a different websites. And if you have your own website, you can publish it on your website, and some of the social media marketing also you can do it. So the programs, if you can cross check, I am showing you demo on my travel payouts. So I've got the affiliate marketing, and this is my create link account. And yep, so if you can see the programs, my niche is travel. We have a immigrations, and we book a tickets for our clients, and we make passport visa service, and also we more into immigration services. So according to our niche, we have selected all related to travel, so it is travel play out is more suitable for us. So what we have done is, we applied for the affiliate marketing, we got it. See, travel Trivago is one such beautiful website that they're offering like a 40% of commission for you. Cookies lifetime is 30 days. And Eat With, this is the hotels that if your client is looking for any hotel services in a multiple country, then you can have the commission is only of 6% of the any of person go with Eat With. And Victor is the 9% they are paying, and tickets is they are paying 8%, and Get Your Guides is 8 to 10%, and Musement is 8.9 or 89.79 percentage is what they are showing. Clock is 2.5 percentage, and TripAdvisor 50% to 8%. Okay, percentage is what they are paying the commission. So you can choose any of the programs in regards to this, and you have to give your trafficking, like YouTube. If you have your trafficking, you have to show them your website trafficking, you have to show them. If you meet according to their criteria, definitely they'll give you their URL link or affiliate link to promote wherever you wanted to promote. So they have lot of programs. First you have to apply and get a link from them, then you are eligible to apply for. Even I have applied for certain things and I got it, and I've been promoting these websites like booking.com, discover cars, kiwi.com also I have got it, and certain URL ID even I got it. If you can go into my main page, you will get to see those things. See, these are the programs that I've been promoting, and I'm new to this service, so I'm just promoting now. I could see that 8 clicks or 5 clicks, 1 or 2 clicks are going on. Slowly it's picking up. So yeah, we'll go and check some of the thing. Okay, see, if you are seeing your Kiwi International Airport transformations here, yeah, if I go to tools, I get my affiliate link. This is my affiliate link. I can copy this and I can paste it anywhere. Let's say I'll paste it on Google. See, if I paste it, I have to select it in English. So okay, this is providing the transfer from airport and hotels in 102 countries of the world. Alright, so you can select the any destinations to any destinations, and it will and check the price list. Again, select English. So it's showing this price also, and how many people can travel from where to where, which is the free order cancellations. Those are the stuffs it's showing. So according to, if the client is go ahead and book anything by clicking our URL ID or our affiliate link, then we would get certain commissions in this link. And how you can promote this is like you can go for widget and select this widget. This is the copy, this is the URL copy that you can copy this. And if I go to my Blogger, and if I wanted to promote my affiliate link on my Blogger, then I can go to HTML format, and if I publish, if I view this, I could see all the flights related inquiries. If a person clicks here, or I haven't published it, so it's just not showing. Once again, I just publish this. If I publish, yeah, I can go view here. See, it can be any airport to anywhere that you can book it, right? Search, if you can give, it will get to this page. So if anybody start booking, clicking on my URL ID and start booking, then I would be getting a commission in regards to it. That's the way you can promote your affiliate link through your blogs or YouTube channel, or any of the channels that you have, like websites and all. Yeah, it's one of the easiest way to make the money. So I hope this is going to be helpful for you people. Do like my videos and subscribe my channel. And we do conduct master classes for affiliate marketing, or LinkedIn marketing, digital marketing, YouTube marketing. If anyone is interested to join us, you can sign up to us and join for the courses. We have a 50% discount on all these courses. Do like our channels and subscribe my channel for more updates. And thank you and have a great day. Bye.